Guys, once again I am back. Different beautiful decorative and decoration ideas and decorative embellishment like plant pot covers, crochet plant pots covers, like lamp covers and basket covers. Different and latest ideas, styles, looks and designs like a plant basket and there are simple crochet pattern for a plant basket, plant pot cover. To crochet a plant pot covers you will need yarn and hooks. I start with the magicking and crochet in rounds using single crochet stitches, increasing the stitches gradually to match the pot size. You can add texture and color changes for a unique design. Finish with a slip stitch and wave and ends. Adjust this pattern based on your pot's dimensions. Happy crocheting and that beautiful and style that sounds like a creative project. Are you looking for a crochet pattern or tips on making a plant pot covers? Guys, please see this video till the end and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. Here are simple ideas related to crochet pattern and style. Adjust the pattern based on the size of your plant pot. Feel free to get creative with colors and stitches. Happy crocheting. So take care and bye bye. See you soon. Hey guys.